Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating fields of data science and machine learning. Often used interchangeably, these fields have distinct focuses and methods. Let's break it down. Data science is the backbone of extracting insights from data, covering its entire life cycle. From acquiring and cleaning data to its analysis, visualization, and communication, data science is a comprehensive journey. Key skills include statistics, math, programming, domain knowledge, and effective communication. Now let's explore the powerful tools and applications used in data science. These tools and applications are like the magic wands that help us uncover insights and make predictions from data. From databases and SQL to data wrangling libraries like Pandas and NumPy, and statistical software like R and SAS. We also leverage visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI to communicate our findings effectively. In terms of applications, we use predictive modeling for forecasting, anomaly detection for fraud detection, and market research for understanding consumer behavior. Data science fuels scientific discovery and provides insights for social science analysis, addressing various societal challenges. While machine learning, a subset of data science, focuses on building algorithms that learn from data. Its core aims is to develop models capable of making predictions or improving performance without explicit programming. The skills required include algorithm development, computer science, probability optimization, and data cleaning. Now let's explore the powerful tools and applications used in machine learning. We harness machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, along with neural networks and deep learning frameworks to build advanced models. These tools enable applications like image recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, fraud detection, robotics, and self-driving cars, revolutionizing various industries and domains. Data science and machine learning have distinct scopes and goals. Data science aims to drive insights and understanding from data, while machine learning concentrates on building predictive models. The skills vary. Data science demands broader expertise, while machine learning requires deeper knowledge of algorithms and computer science. Despite differences, both fields share common ground. Machine learning techniques are often integrated into data science workflows for enhanced analysis and prediction. Understanding data is fundamental to both disciplines, underscoring their symbiotic relationship. Choosing between data science and machine learning hinges on your interests and career aspirations. If you're passionate about uncovering insights from data, data science may be your calling. For those intrigued by building predictive models and diving into algorithmic intricacies, machine learning offers a fulfilling path. And there you have it, a comprehensive breakdown of data science and machine learning. Whether you're drawn to deciphering data masteries or crafting predictive algorithms, both fields offer exciting opportunities. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of data science and machine learning. Until the next time, happy learning.